today I'm cutting flyers because me and my family are going to start a simple business called EV Event Rentals. And basically, you can rent chairs and tables here if you have events going on. And since it's renting, you have to return it. So, it's not buying, guys. Buying and renting is different. And there are people out there who just don't really want to keep the chairs because they might not know what to use it for, so they can rent it. And it's actually a really good business idea, guys. I have a family in Bohol that also did this business, and I think they're doing pretty well. This is actually a really good idea, guys. And basically, my job is to cut out flyers. Here is one of our flyer examples. It's very nice, guys. This is horizontal, and we also have vertical flyers, guys. And I cut them all out here. So please, guys, support my negosyo. Please support my business. Because it hasn't started yet actually, but please support it, guys. And you can maybe rent some tables or some chairs in here. It also comes with a cover, guys, a cloth cover, both for the tables and for the chairs. So ito, guys. Actually, I'm not good at cutting, but as long as it's consistent, okay na yun sa akin.
Ikaw din maninigay ng flyers na yun.
Huh? Out in the sun?
Yeah! We will distribute the flyers in different subdivisions.
Okay. So guys,
Of course, not sure.
guys, please support this business so I don't have to go out in the sun. I don't.
Nakarami ka na ba?
Yes. Hindi. I only cut 3 pieces. Guys, naririnig niyo yan sa labas? It's like my favorite song. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. See, my cutting isn't very perfect, guys, but that's okay. As long as it's consistent, guys, that's all that matters. So, kailangan ko talagang pag-practicean.
So, practice pala yan.
No! This is an actual thing. I'm actually gonna give out... These are actual flyers. Ang init dito sa Pinas, guys. So, please, I don't want to be out in the sun. I don't mind giving flyers, but
Of course,
kailangan
we can
ko
do
ata
it
ng...
during afternoon, late afternoon or morning.
Kailangan ko ata ng payong, guys. Also, guys, we have the tables pero wala pa rin kaming chair. We have no...
Cheers are
Ay,
coming.
talaga?
Yeah.
Yeah, the chairs are coming, guys.
This afternoon.
This afternoon? Talaga?
Yes.
We have like 30 chairs, diba?
Yeah. And I will order more. I need to have 250 chairs.
Guys, alam niyo na kaya kong gumawa ng tablecloth, the thing that it's like table skirting, guys, table skirt. You know those? I can make those. Like, I learned that at school. It's actually pretty easy, guys. But the ones that we're buying for the chairs, I think they're pre-made. Pero kaya ko talaga yung gawin, guys. If I wanted to, I would. Kaso lang, baka nakakapagod because I have to do it myself. Of course, I'm gonna need the help kasi may needles yun. I need need like 3 hands to do table scraping. Ay, okay lang ba to, guys? Hold on, there's kind of a... Here's on my... Guys, these scissors, they're not really made for, left hand, and left-hander kasi ako eh. So, it's kind of hard.
Left-handed yata.
Left-handed, yes. I mean, pwede naman to sa left hand, but like, in cutting small parts, that would be hard. Also, I need to focus right now, so I'm sorry if I'm not talking. It's just, if I'm setting my mind on something, nahihirapan ako, it's hard to talk. Tas if I'm talking, it will be hard for me to do something. Ganun talaga. Ay! Nahulog! Okay lang ba to, guys? Is it obvious that my cutting isn't really good? I hope it isn't. Ilang papel na ba to? Okay guys, I'm done. So here are the flyers. Done? Yeah. Ito ang mga flyers, guys. Wait lang. Paano ba? Ganyan.
We will launch our business on June 1, 1st of June.
Oh?
Yes.
That's,
On Monday.
on Monday.
Mm.
Ay, baliktad yan.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.